Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a video as the background of your YouTube short on YouTube. So first of all, you just have to open the YouTube app, then go to the plus icon. To create a short, you just have to tap on create a short. And to add a video as the background, you just have to tap on green screen. And here you can choose any video from your gallery that you would like to add as a background. So if I choose this one, I can watch the video and I can even crop it, so I can choose the exact part that I would like to add, or I can add the whole video as a background. And when you choose the video to add to your background, you just have to tap on next. And now, as you can see, this video is going to be the background. I can still show anything on the foreground. I can record myself or anything like my hands. Then when I start recording, the background video starts playing, and the recording is going to be a mix with the chosen background and with the foreground with my face or hands or anything. So as you can see, I can show something in this video, how I make this iPad disappear, turn it to a paper, then wash everything away, and that's pretty much it. And when you rewatch the video, you can see the foreground with the background that we have added. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.